welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance blenders and comparing three top contenders that are making waves in the kitchen: the Vitamix 5200 blender, the Blendtec Total Classic Original blender, and the Ninja Professional blender. We'll explore what makes each one unique, discuss their pros and cons, and ultimately help you decide which is the best fit for your kitchen. Vitamix 5200 blender. The Vitamix 5200 blender is widely recognized for its powerful motor, durable construction, and versatility. It's ideal for serious home cooks who want a blender that can handle everything from smoothies and soups to nut butters and frozen desserts. Pros: powerful motor. The Vitamix 5200 boasts a 2-horsepower motor, which can easily blend even the toughest ingredients. Whether you're dealing with whole fruits, raw vegetables, or nuts, this blender has you covered. Variable speed control. This feature allows you to adjust the speed during blending, providing greater control over texture. It's perfect for achieving smooth purees or chunky salsas, depending on your preference. Durability. Vitamix blenders are known for their longevity, and the 5200 is no exception. Its high-quality materials and solid construction ensure it can withstand daily use for years. Self-cleaning. The Vitamix 5200 can clean itself in 60 seconds. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap and let it run. This convenience is a big plus for busy users. Cons: high price. The Vitamix 5200 typically costs around $400 to $500, which can be a significant investment for some buyers. Noise level. Due to its powerful motor, the Vitamix can be quite loud, which might be a downside if you're blending in the early morning or late at night. Lack of preset functions. Unlike some newer models, the 5200 doesn't come with preset functions, which means you need to manually adjust the settings for different tasks. Blendtec Total Classic Original blender. The Blendtec Total Classic Original blender is another high-powered option that competes closely with Vitamix. Known for its unique blade design and preset functions, it's great for users who want convenience and efficiency. Pros: preset functions. The Blendtec Total Classic features 6 pre-programmed cycles, including options for smoothies, hot soups, and ice cream. This makes it incredibly user-friendly and reduces the guesswork. Dull blade design. Unlike Vitamix, Blendtec uses a dull blade made from thick stainless steel. It's designed to pulverize ingredients rather than slice them, which enhances safety and helps achieve smooth textures without sharp edges. Compact design. The Blendtec blender is a bit more compact than the Vitamix 5200, making it a good option for kitchens with limited counter space. Self-cleaning and durable. Like Vitamix, Blendtec offers a self-cleaning function that simplifies maintenance. The jar and blade design are also highly durable. Cons: noise level. Blendtec blenders are known for being loud, which may be an issue if you're sensitive to noise. Limited control over speed. While the preset functions are convenient, they might not be ideal for users who prefer to fine-tune the speed manually, as the Vitamix allows. Price. While slightly less expensive than Vitamix, Blendtec blenders are still an investment, generally ranging from $300 to $400 depending on sales and specific models. Ninja Professional blender. The Ninja Professional blender is a budget-friendly option compared to Vitamix and Blendtec, offering powerful blending at a fraction of the price. While it may not have all the features of the other two, it's popular for basic tasks like smoothies and frozen drinks. Pros: affordable. The Ninja Professional blender is significantly more affordable, often priced around $100 to $150. It's a great entry-level choice for those looking for decent performance without a high price tag. High capacity. This blender typically comes with a large 72-ounce pitcher, making it ideal for families or anyone who likes to prepare big batches at once. Multiple blades for efficiency. Ninja blenders use stacked blades, which help create a powerful vortex to blend ingredients evenly and quickly. This is great for quickly crushing ice and blending smoothies. Cons: durability issues. While the Ninja Professional blender is built well for its price, it may not last as long as the Vitamix or Blendtec, especially with heavy daily use. less versatile. It's not quite as powerful as the Vitamix or Blendtec, and struggles with tasks like making nut butter or hot soups. Manual cleaning. Unlike the Vitamix and Blendtec, the Ninja Blender's blade assembly can be tricky to clean, and it requires more manual effort. In summary, the Vitamix 5200 is the top choice for those seeking power, versatility, and longevity. The Blendtec Total Classic is ideal for those who value preset functions and a compact design. Finally, the Ninja Professional Blender offers great value for money, especially for basic blending tasks. Each of these blenders has its unique strengths, so choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on which blender you choose.